So you have some broken tile, but you don't want to replace the entire floor just to get to a couple pieces of broken tile. Well, you've come to the right place. Hi, my name is Xavier. I like to help people with their projects, to do it themselves and save money. There's nothing worse than having a project that's kind of small and nobody wants to do it. Or they will, but it'll cost you. Anyway, that's my mission, to empower you to professionally fix, renovate, or DIY. So let's get started.
Let's not do that again.
Well, the first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to clear the area, and so make it accessible. Take all the broken pieces of tile that you can access and get rid of them. We're going to need those out of the way. Now, take your chisel. You do have a chisel, right? And make sure you find the areas that you're going to need to clear that grout out. Use a hammer and tap your chisel. Don't pound on it. Do small taps. Tap, 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 tap. Yes, because you don't want to damage the tile next to it. See what I'm doing? Do that. Now, if you want to cheat, use an angle grinder with a diamond blade. These things only cost about $10 at the hardware store. It makes it so much easier. Don't forget to wear safety goggles. Maybe even a mask. And don't be surprised if the fire alarm goes off. Yeah.
The dust.
So take your chisel and put it under the tile, and you should be able to pop the tile off. Sometimes it's really hard, so just get at that mortar and go to work. See that? Now, you have your replacement tile. We're not going to put them down yet. You just want to have them handy. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to chisel away the old mortar, but we don't want to dig into the sub base, which is usually going to be concrete board, hopefully. Clean up your area, and then we're going to prep it to put more mortar down on our new tile. All right? Back butter your tile with a trowel. See? Make it nice and thick because we want to make this thing level. Evenly space your tile, whether you need spacers or not. See what I'm doing? I'm making sure that I push it down and make it level with the next tile. Rub your fingers across it. Go ahead. Baby it. Do your best. There's nothing more annoying than having uneven tile. Yep. Just take your time, man. It's not going anywhere. All right, we're gonna do this again. You see what I'm doing? Back buttering the tile, putting it down. So here's the cheat. Use your angle grinder if you want to make quick work of this. And the trick is, if you don't have an angle grinder, just make small taps. Don't break up the other tile. So we're gonna put our grout in. I'm using just a knife to put it on, but I have a float, and we're going to use our float at a 30 to 45 degree angle, and we're going to really get that grout in those joints. See that? Good. All right, now this is not the same job. You're not crazy. But I'm showing you here, when you wipe your grout, you do it in a circular motion so that the joints are nice and even. See what I did? Well, not on this, but I did that before. It just didn't show you. Do me a favor, my channel is new. I'm not a possessive person, but I want to keep you. So please hit subscribe, and if you like my humorous teaching style, then you will love my Instagram page. Lastly, if you personally have a problem or dilemma on your project that you need some help with, go to my website. The links are in the description.